Alright guys, we're gonna start backfilling the walkway here. So we're gonna throw our thin layer of 3/4 inch stone on the bottom, rake it out smooth, and give it a nice compact with our Whack-a-Noosin. That's the Massachusetts way to say it. Whack-a-Noosin.
Whack-a-Noosin.
Yep. So we'll get that going. I'm gonna scoop a few buckets out, spread it out, and go from there. Pat, you got that?
Yep.
You want a knife?
Nope. Yep.
He's unrolling it like a candy cane thing. I gotta keep the video going on this one. I was gonna shut it off, but... Hey, hold on to it tight for a minute.
If I keep my hand there, he can't cut, huh?
Hold on to it tight for a minute.
Yeah, you missed a spot. Not gonna do it. Now see how to ruin the wrap.
Alright. Watch your head. Fill that well up over there and just throw out what you don't need. Bucket. Alright. Nice. Yeah, so that looks good. Around all the corners and the tight spots, we'll use a hand tamper. And then might have Benny run the plate compactor around the big areas a couple times. Maybe 3 since it's such a small spot. And we'll tamp the inside, the window well and all that as well. Benny, you got it. You gotta fire it up. No, that's choke. This is throttle right here. Yep. Okay, I just wanted to explain for a minute the reason behind what we're doing and how we're doing it. A lot of times people will get to their subsoil, their sub-base, whatever you want to call it, and they'll actually compact the soil. The reason I do not like to do this is because what you're doing is you're actually closing up the top layer of the soil. You're compacting it so tightly that the water actually has a hard time to permeate down into the subsoil. So what we're doing is it's called correcting the subsoil, and it's mainly used for a really like clay-like subsoil, but we use it in every soil circumstance, and that is spread out a thin layer of this open grade base, the 3/4 inch clean crushed stone, about 1 to 2 inches, and we will compact it into the subsoil, correcting it and allowing for water to permeate into the subsoil more easily. Alright, we're going to go over that a few times with the compactor, and then we're going to dump this stone right in the hole on top of fabric. I'm going to pull this down a little bit. A little bit. Okay, so now we're laying out our geotextile fabric, stabilization fabric. And what this is going to do is it's going to keep the subsoils separated from our open grade base. And it's also going to help stabilize our base, preventing sinkholes in the future. And it is a permeable fabric. The water goes through it, but it's more of a plastic than a cloth. So that's why it's better for stabilization than the woven cloth fabric. This is made by Alliance, and it's called Gator fabric. 1 second on that. Nice. Circle it this way a little bit. Pat, I'm going to grab a scoop of stone before we set that down, just so these don't blow away on us.
Yeah.
Taste that exhaust buckets right now. Makes sense. Isn't it the best when you can get it right in the hole, Ben?
Wheelbarrow and stuff.
Yep. All set.
Come on!
All right, I'm gonna get him set up over there, and we're gonna load him with the remaining fill from the excavation. All right, guys, I'm gonna rake this area where the walkway's going. The base material, I'm gonna grade it out to where roughly where we need it, and then we're gonna lay some screed poles and get our grades and our pitches all set up and screed it, and then we'll be ready to start laying pavers. The design behind this walkway is going to be about a 5-foot walkway, maybe a little bit more, and we're going to connect it into the front with a rounded edge, and then we're going to have the walkway come to about here, and we're going to come in and curve it just before the mailbox so they can still access that, and it'll make this bed a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna grade this stone. It's a little heaped up right here, so I'm gonna spread it all out.